From smartphones to EV batteries, modern technology relies on precise signals to work properly. In a world saturated with wireless communication and signals, stray electromagnetic interference can wreak havoc on your device. That's why in this video, we're gonna cover what EMI absorbers are, how they work, the different types of EMI absorbing materials, and where you can find them. A EMI absorber is a specialty material that's designed to eliminate or to reduce the amount of electromagnetic interference in your application. EMI absorbers are commonly available in either sheet or roll form, with pre-cut sheets featuring an adhesive backing for use in applications like cable wrapping, metal surfaces, semiconductor chips, and near-field communication devices. The function of an EMI absorber is based on its ability to interact with electromagnetic fields. The key to this functionality lies in the material's magnetic properties, specifically its permeability, which determines how well it can absorb or redirect EMI signals. Materials with high magnetic permeability are particularly effective in shielding electronics from interference. By acting as a barrier or dissipating electromagnetic energy, these absorbers help prevent signal distortion and device malfunction. Various materials are used as EMI absorbers, each suited for different applications or different levels of protection. Soft magnetic materials such as a polymer or ferrite sheets are commonly employed due to their flexibility or noise suppression. Other options include rubber embedded with magnetic powder, ferrite-loaded elastomers, conductive foils, fabrics, and adhesives. Conductive foils such as aluminum, copper, or stainless steel are especially useful for thin shielding applications. Additionally, acrylic-based adhesives or PET film liners play a crucial role in how well the EMI absorber integrates into your design. When sourcing EMI absorbers, the best option depends on the complexity and volume of the required components. Standard EMI absorbers can be purchased directly from suppliers such as 3M. However, for custom designs that may require a specific shielding property, working with an adhesive converter is the ideal approach. These converters can die cut, slit, or transform EMI absorbing material to meet the function and requirements of your design. If you're interested in learning more about EMI shielding or the die cutting process, feel free to check out our Learning Center where we have more content on these topics. Or you can always reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.